It is currently 8 a.m. and my flight is in 3 hours. So I have 1 hour to figure out part of the city that is not in the city center. So like there's a gas station. I currently see like 6 cars. And in a city where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them are electric, I wanna see every flight. So to the city of electric cars on a Monday morning, I took a Canon RP with 24-105 and the cheapest mist filter I could find on AliExpress. I was just wondering one thing. I wonder in this cold country, how do you charge them? But literally 2 minutes later on the gas station, I found the 300 kilowatt chargers that they use to charge their electric taxis and cars. Also here you can clearly see the effect of the mist filter. Could be just me, but I think this guy's posing. How dreamy the photos look. Look at any light that's going towards the camera and wow. Damn it. What a haze. Hey, good morning.
Are you a photographer?
I'm a street photographer. So I'm just catching moments and I really like the guy who cleaned his taxi because it was like very energetic, and also the guy who parked in the street.
Yeah.
It basically looked like a pose. It was a perfect 45-degree angle. You want a photo too? With your taxi? Okay, no, it's just for entertainment. Okay, thanks. Have a good day. Yeah, every time you will do street photography alone, be prepared for some interesting interactions. Not always positive, not always negative, but always out of your comfort zone. Yeah, I never really actually shot cars, but here it just seems easy in this part of the city. Just to test this cheap filter, it does not replace a CPL to delete reflections. Yeah. Tram stations are one thing. Sheesh, those bikes are the second thing. But shoes next to bikes I haven't seen before. But also... Another not very often used technique of composition is using size contrast. You can see how big and how small the two subjects of the photographs are. Also, who the heck does top-down advertisements? Also, I'm pretty sure that they're... Oh yeah, no, it's correct. It's indeed. Here, a muffin. I'd like a muffin for breakfast. If anybody wants to know the prices, this is $1. This is $2. This is 7,14,20. This is $4. This is twice as expensive. Look. €2. Beer. 120. So after an expensive chocolate muffin, we can again focus on the frozen morning and electric cars of Denmark. Or it's the mist filter, I can't tell. Bonus points if you can find a text that is controversial and can add to a story of the photo. Oh my gosh, wait, no. Did I get it? Not sure if you see the point with the red train, blue house, and yellow Miata. If you want to add a story in your photos, look for ways to add more subjects to your photo, here on the left and right. Public washing machines. Oh my god, they are. Tell me, are you more of a sunrise person or a sunset person? I really hate sunrises because it's too early for me, but now it's what, 8:30 a.m.? I usually have school at this hour. Well, some things have no limits. Have you ever seen a custom-made bike out of metal pipes? Even better. Yeah, this city is full of bikes in random places. Here's what you can do if there is nobody to photograph. I need somebody to go through this. And Canon blew it. Okay. Plan B. I'm gonna be very vivid and 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Don't have a person, make a person. Just found this tunnel and oh my god. Yeah, from this moment on there were no more people on the streets. So I just decided to make self-portraits. Photographing yourself in a tunnel can really help you understand how guiding lines work. All you need is less of everything. Haha. How? Of course I got lost, so I had to run back to the hotel. And yeah, it's going to be very close even with the flight, not even mentioning breakfast. So thanks for watching.